Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr.Azhar Uddin. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we'll be having a comparison between an OET and IELTS. So for that, we will be joined by an amazing senior, Dr. Usama, who has been a great mentor, a great senior for us. So Dr. Usama, it's up to you. Let's compare.
Thank you, Azhar, for having me on your podcast, and thank you for choosing a great topic about IELTS and OET. So, for those who are unfamiliar about the OET and IELTS, they are the two most popular English proficiency tests that have been used by most of the universities around the world for by the employers and for the immigration purposes. And both exam assess the person's ability to use English in real life situations, and they are often required as a prerequisite for the admissions, for the lab journey, and for professional registration and immigration purposes. So, what's the difference between IELTS and OET? This is $1,000,000 question. So, first we'll talk about the OET, that is Occupational English Test, and it's designed for the healthcare professionals such as doctors, pharmacists, nurses, dentists, and it assesses your language skills specific to that field, like healthcare industries such as understanding patient consultant writings, referral letters, and participating in the team meetings. The OET is being recognized by many organizations around the world, including GMC, New Zealand, UK, then we have New Zealand, Australia, and some parts of the Europe. And on the other hand, we have IELTS, that is International English Language Testing System. It's a more general test that assesses your ability to communicate in real life scenarios in a wide range of contexts. It is often used for the immigration purposes, and many colleges also require IELTS while you are getting admission there, and many governmental organizations around the world, like 140 countries around the world, they require IELTS. So these two tests are very great assessment tools for your English, and there are some similarities between these two tests. However, the content of each test and the format of each section can vary from each other between two exams. For example, the reading and writing sections of OET are specific to healthcare professionals, and while IELTS reading and writing section cover more general topics. So, how can you prepare for your exam? This is really very tricky question because first a person needs to identify the current proficiency level of the English, and you can assess that by having a practice with someone you know, or you can do that by taking a practice test or seeking any advice from a professional. And you can also set your goals, realistic goals actually, and create a study plan that fits your schedule and learning style. And for the preparation, there are many useful resources available for you to prepare, such as textbooks that are available online as well as in the workshops. So you can buy that, and there are many subscriptions also you can opt for that, but I personally don't feel like getting a subscription for preparing IELTS or OET other than the writing subtest, because it's the most field subject in the IELTS and OET. Be very consistent with the preparation and be realistic with your goals, that what you want to achieve. And there are, as I told you, there are many resources that you can opt for, and you can also find study tips and strategies from other test takers from many forums like Facebook, Twitter, and many other social media groups. So you can always go to the internet and find the relevant stuff. And to improve your English skills, it is very important to practice regularly. This includes reading English text, writing, listening to the English podcast or videos, writing practice essays, and speaking with English speaking friends or tutors. Finally, It's important to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Remember why you are taking your exam, because with dedication and hard work, you can achieve your desired score. And when we are talking about the score, the required band in IELTS is 7.5 overall and 7 in each band. With while in OET you have gradings like A grade, B grade, and C and D, and you require B grade, that is 350 marks. So you can easily achieve that goal with the smart work, hard work, and dedication. As I mentioned earlier, the resources that you can opt for, like there are some YouTube channels, including mine, that can help you for your preparation in OET. So that's all for today. And if you have any query, you can always contact me on my social media platforms that are always available for all of you. So stay tuned and best of luck for your journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Osama, for your sincere words. I hope this will be helpful for the whole medical circuit out there. Thank you.